In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete all trash in Notion using the latest 2025 guide. If your workspace is starting to feel cluttered with obsolete pages, notes, or data, clearing out the trash can be a great way to tidy things up. Follow along as we go step by step through the process, ensuring that you'll be left with a neat and organized Notion interface. To begin, you'll want to navigate over to the trash section. When you're in Notion, head down to the lower left corner of your screen. Here, you'll find a spot labeled Trash. It's where all the deleted pages are temporarily stored, giving you a second chance to restore anything you've accidentally removed. Once you've located the trash section, the next move is to click on it. This click will open up a list of all the pages you've previously deleted. It's convenient because Notion doesn't permanently erase these files right away. Instead, it keeps them available just in case. Think of this as your own personal safety net against accidental deletions. With the trash section open, it's time to find the trash icon, which you'll notice appears when you hover over a page. Clicking on this trash icon will prompt you to delete a specific item permanently. Here's where you have to be a bit patient, as Notion doesn't allow for mass deletion in one go. You'll have to delete each page one by one. After clicking the trash icon on an unwanted page, your next step is to choose the Delete Page option. This will ensure the item is removed from the trash bin and permanently erased from your workspace, freeing up the area for more relevant content. Remember, as you delete each page, you're making your Notion environment more efficient and manageable. Now, it's important to note that as per Notion's workflow, each deleted page is stored in trash for a grace period of 30 days. If you prefer not to go through each item individually, you can wait for this period to run its course and the system will automatically clear the trash for you. This is particularly handy if you have a significant amount of content you don't need to retrieve. Remember, patience is key here, as there isn't a way to delete everything at once. There you have it. By following these steps, you're well on your way to maintaining a clutter-free Notion workspace. Whether you choose to delete items immediately or let the system handle it over time, you've got options to keep things organized. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing!